Good evening, Dr. Iwanenko, Gannon University, and Villa Maria College alumni and guests. This is indeed a tremendous honor to be with you this evening to celebrate Gannon University and all that it has done to educate thousands of graduates, as well as recognize Gannon's longtime commitment to downtown Erie. I want to thank Mr. John Blumstein for nominating me for this honor, and Mary Cuneo, also a Gannon graduate, for pulling together my biography. Joining me to celebrate this evening are my brother and sisters, Bill Power, Mary Ida Power, Kathleen Power Fox and her husband Michael, also a Gannon alum, Maureen Power Anger, and Geraldine Power. And I'm proud to say that our nephew, Bill's son, Father James Power, is also a Gannon graduate. Yes, we have a priest in the family. My husband John is also here, my son Robert and his fiancée Libby Hiles, and my son Patrick Barber with his lovely wife Courtney Edwards Barber, who's also a proud Gannon graduate. It is with gratitude and humility that I accept this award. I have been fortunate to have had a nursing career that spans 50 years this year. I am thankful to Bishop John Mark Gannon, Doc Worley, and the Sisters of St. Joseph, as the sisters first founded Villa Maria College and then helped Doc Worley and the bishop found Gannon College. The mission was to serve local students to ensure that they had the opportunity to receive a college education right here in Erie. I don't personally have stories of Gannon, as I'm a Villa Maria College graduate, though I would have attended if Gannon had offered a Bachelor of Science in nursing as it does now. I am pleased to tell you that several of my sisters attended Gannon and are here with me this evening. As I mentioned earlier, my sister Mary Ida, Kathleen, Jerry, and my sister Teresa, who is unable to be here, and my sister Maureen. They've all shared warm memories of their time here at Gannon. Names such as Father Haas, Father Rubino, Father Levis, Father McSweeney. Professors who took an interest in their students, particularly Walt Minot, Dennis Renner. They were pivotal in my sister Jerry's education. My sister Kathleen enjoyed going to the Scrounge every morning for breakfast. That was the commuter lounge. My mother, father, sister Helena, and I immigrated to the United States from Limerick, Ireland in the mid-1950s. That we had no relatives here in Erie, no cousins, no grandparents, just our family to rely on. Many years later, my parents died of cancer 18 months apart. My brother Bill Power ran our one source of income, Sullivan's Cafe at 301 French. Some of you may have heard of it. We relied on Social Security also. When our parents died, my sisters were still eager to go to college. What was pivotal was the financial assistance offered by Gannon University through the assistance of Mr. Jim Treiber in the financial aid office at Gannon. My sister Mary Ida bravely went to the financial aid office to ask for help. Mr. Treiber worked with Mary Ida and subsequently my other sisters to shore up the gap between what money was available from the family and what was needed to attend Gannon College and become a proud Gannon graduate. Of course, satisfactory academic performance was required to receive continued financial aid. So as you can see, as first-generation college graduates, we're very proud of our accomplishments. And to my nursing career, the first 25 years of my career were focused on various medical specialties, but since the year 2000, I have worked as a nurse and other capacities at the Barber National Institute, supporting health, welfare of the children, adults, and families we serve. The Barber Institute is a nonprofit health and human service organization here in Erie that serves over 5,400 children, adults, and families with intellectual disabilities, physical disabilities, and autism. We are in many communities throughout Pennsylvania, but our home campus is here on the east side of Erie. My husband's aunt, Dr. Gertrude A. Barber, founded the Barber Center in 1952. Throughout my career at the Barber Institute, I realized that we needed to establish an Office of Risk and Compliance, and so I did so in 2003 and was also the first HIPAA privacy officer. I also was instrumental in creating our first Notice of Privacy Practices. We now have a large team that addresses this need. And as we continued to expand, we realized we needed to formalize our internal and external communications and grow awareness of our programs and services. So I initiated the effort eventually forming the Office of External Affairs 10 years ago. We oversee all internal and external communications, fundraising, donor relations, special events. We support all advocacy efforts. We've grown to become an important part of the Barber National Institute. And as I am with you here tonight, I'm reminded that like Dr. Gertrude A. Barber, we're entrusted with something far bigger than ourselves, the chance to change lives and create opportunity where it didn't exist before, similar to Gannon University. I want to thank you very much for this award this evening.